Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL 3X from 2020 and let me show you how to change video quality on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app and now let's tap on More right here. Here we have to tap on the settings icon, and as you can see in the video section we've got the video quality option, so let's tap on it. And here we've got 3 options to choose from. Now we've got Full HD applied. In order to change it, just tap on the quality you want to use, for example the HD. Just tap on it and as you can see it immediately changes, so it means that from now on your camera will record the videos in chosen quality. So that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your ALCATEL 3X 2020. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.